So this video is about learning how to learn, and much of the theory is built upon the quotation that repetition is the mother of learning. So I was sitting on my terrace and studying, and for a while I got distracted and I looked at my neighbor where there was some construction going on, and I came up with this idea that, this analogy actually, that learning is like construction of something. And when I say construction, most people think it of like as knitting a sweater where we start at one end and finish at the other, right? That's how we study our books. We start with the front page and try to finish it till we reach the last page. But actually, it's not like that. It's like a spider constructing a spider web. The spider initially weaves the framework of the spider web, and then it works upon the initial structure to create more details, and it progresses on that way, right? But then how we study is quite different. We do it like knitting a sweater, where we just start knitting and try to finish in the end. And I'm going to teach you how to study actually, and I'm a medical student, by the way, and I usually apply these techniques when I'm studying as well. So when we flip through each page, firstly, it's like we are kind of grasping the topics and the headings, the bold headings, and we can go to the end and see for some quizzes or look for past question papers in the subject that we are studying. And then it kind of gives us a structure, the baseline upon which we'll be working. And then we can go to the beginning and read the bold prints or the diagrams, and increase the frequency of exposure that we are getting. And then finally we can again come to the first page and read the first and last sentence in each paragraph, which kind of gives it's kind of like looking for the introduction and summaries. And then we again go to the beginning and read all and take notes of the subject. And that is how we reinforce the structure of knowledge, whatever we are reading. And then it improves, it amplifies with each exposure, and that's how you retain the information well. You can also match this with spaced repetition, which you can do a bit of research on the internet, or maybe I'll put in another video later on the channel if you guys request. So the three things that you need to be careful about while doing this is that you should be thoughtful about the speed, the comprehension part, and the retention part. These are the three things that is important in the learning triangle, and that's how you can proceed and improvise and take notes properly and retain what you study. Thank you so much for watching this video.